A flat twist out on my hair and moisturizing it because it's about that time. If you saw my other video, I did do a flexi ride set. Please go look at that video, check it out, go like it, go comment, go do all that, go share it, all that. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to this channel because you don't want to be missing out any more videos because your girl is back. All right, so during this quarantine, I just been, you know, focusing on me, you know, with the skin and my hair and, you know, things I just wouldn't have paid attention to when I was working. So now that I have a little time on my hands, I am doing my hair. So I'm going to do a flat twist out and moisturize my hair like I said. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, so I sectioned my hair. I will be using the BriannaLondon products. I think I did a whole video on these products, so if you want to see it, go look at it. It's on my channel right now. So I'm using the whipped shea butter and the flaxseed gel. So that's how I'll be moisturizing my hair. And yeah, I'm going to flat twist like all over my head. So I'm gonna do a flat twist the back. So I have 3 sections right here. So I'm gonna do my best to let y'all see how I'm doing the back. So yeah, let's go. Let's start. All right, so I'm taking a small portion of it. I'm not putting a lot because a little goes a long way, and I'm just gonna rub it on my strands really good, to making sure that I get it all moisturized and all that good stuff. And after that, I'm just rubbing it in, and I'm gonna apply my flaxseed gel to top it off. And again, I use a little bit because a little bit goes a long way, and I just rub that in. As you can see, I'm mainly rubbing it in my ends too because that's what's important.
Sane.
just did my back. I usually just single twist. If you don't know how to flat twist, you can always single twist in the back. Like if you feel comfortable just single twisting in the back. I usually do that, but I'm like, no, I want to do the flat twist. You know, I want to stretch that area out. So I just flat twist it. But if you don't know how to do that, just, you know, single twist. So we're just gonna move our way up and finish this up. I think I'm going more for a medium-sized twist, and yeah, I think, yeah, medium size, not like too big or too small. So let's go, let's speed this up. Moisturized. As you can see, the shine is coming through. Looky there. So I'm gonna keep these in overnight, and whenever I wake up tomorrow to take them out, we can get a look at the results. So I'll see you guys in the morning. So it's the next afternoon, evening-ish. Yeah, this is definitely a quarantine video, because who knows when I wake up these days, because girl, my sleeping schedule, non-existent. But moving along, we're gonna take these down now. I'm dressed. I'm about to go to the store real quick. You know, there's nowhere else to go. But let's take these down.
Sane.
how it looks before I separate them. It's defined, really, really good right now. So I'm just gonna separate it and I'll be back. All right, so here we go. These are the results. It is looking good, girl, really good, and my hair is still moisturized. Like, look at my fingers, mad shiny. So yeah, again, I do have a review video on my channel with those products. That's basically the only products that I really use. So yeah, and I had this styling for like 2 days, the twisting, and they're still like moisturized. So that should tell you a lot. But again, go look at that video if you didn't, and give this video a thumbs up, girl. Like, look at these girls. Of course, you're gonna give it a thumbs up. You're gonna subscribe. You're gonna comment down below how much you love it. Like, girl, that's just out. Clayou. Okay, I don't care if I'm just going to the store. Who cares? Okay, I still wanna look nice. All right. But for real, guys, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, make sure you like, make sure you share, and come again, and again, and again, and again. And I'll be here, okay? I ain't going nowhere. Yeah, it's where to go. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye.